Hello everyone, welcome to Mastermind. In this video, let us discuss 5 most important MCQs with respect to the India State of Forest Report. India State of Forest Report 2021. Okay, in the previous parts, we have discussed about the geography of Karnataka for 5 parts, and in the 6th part, we had to discuss forest cover with respect to Karnataka. But instead of that, we will discuss the current affairs point so that we will cover the same geographical part with the help of current affairs also. So let us start with the first question. Total forest and tree cover of the geographical area of India is. It is asking about geographical area of India completely. Here the answer is 24.62 percentage. That is B. 24.62 percentage. So before we proceed, let us look in brief about India State of Forest. India State of Forest Report. India State of Forest Report 2021. So the India State of Forest Report. So the report is this time, that is the 2021's report, is the 17th assessment. It is the 17th assessment, that is the 17th edition, and this is by Forest Survey of India. This is by Forest Survey of India, and Forest Survey of India functions under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So this presents the latest status of forest cover also and tree cover also in the country, and along with that it has given the extent of mangrove cover, bamboo resources, and then assessment of forest carbon stock, etc. Okay, so there are different new initiatives also which they have taken up, but we will discuss some important facts with respect to this, which will be very important in terms of examination. So in case of total forest cover, the total forest cover is 21.71 percentage. The forest cover in India is 21.71 percentage. That is 21.71 percentage of the total geographical area of India is under the forest cover. In case of tree cover, in case of total tree cover, we have seen forest cover. Tree cover is 2.91 percentage of the total geographical area of the country. So totally it comes up to 24.62 percentage of geographical area of the country, which is given in the report also. Now this is the biennial report, that is it is published once in 2 years. So this time it has to come, that is in 2023 another report has to come, but we have to see the comparison with the previous report as well. That is in 2019 what was the status compared to that of 2019 and 2021. So whenever 2023 report is released also, we will look at those comparison and we will update with the upcoming videos as well. So the current assessment shows that in case of forest and tree cover, for tree cover plus forest cover, total increase in 2021 compared to that of 2019 is 0.28 percentage. So there has been increase in both forest cover also and tree cover also. In case of forest cover, there is 0.22 percentage increase, whereas in case of tree cover, there has been 0.76 percentage increase compared to that of 2019. So this is something which we have to remember. Okay, this is something which you have to remember. I hope you have understood about this. Let us move on to the second question. The state with largest forest cover in India. The state with largest forest cover in India is C, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has the largest the forest cover in India. So this is area wise. So area wise, largest forest cover is there in Madhya Pradesh. After Madhya Pradesh, you have Arunachal Pradesh, and after Arunachal Pradesh, we have Chhattisgarh. After Chhattisgarh, we have Odisha. And after Odisha, we have Maharashtra. Maharashtra. That is area wise, that is the largest forest cover in the country is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. In terms of forest cover compared to that of state, compared to that particular state, in case of forest cover, the top 5 states are Mizoram is on top. Mizoram, because 84.53 percentage of Mizoram is covered in forest. Next is Arunachal Pradesh. You have to remember, area wise also Arunachal Pradesh is on the second place, and in the forest cover also Arunachal Pradesh is on the second place. That is 79.33 percentage is covered with the forest. Third one is Meghalaya, fourth is Manipur, and fifth is Nagaland. So all of these are the northeastern states itself. So in case of forest cover, northeastern state is having more of forest cover. In case of area, Madhya Pradesh is on the top of the list. Okay, let us move on to the third question. Consider the following statements regarding India's State of Forest Report 2021. First statement says that it is assessed by Forest Survey of India. It is assessed by Forest Survey of India. Tree cover of India is declining according to the report. So initially only we have seen that it is assessed by Forest Survey of India, and tree cover is not declining. Tree cover has increased. We have seen in the first question itself. That is, the forest cover has also increased and tree cover has also increased. So in this case, the answer is A, 1 only. So our national policy on forest is there, right? So that says that our aim is to have at least 33% of our geographical area to be covered in forest, to have forest cover. At this point of a time, there are 17 states and union territories, 17 states and union territories that have above this 33% of geographical area under forest cover. Out of these states and union territories, 5 states or union territories are Lakshadweep, Mizoram, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Arunachal Pradesh, and Meghalaya. These states and union territories have more than 75% of forest cover. So our aim is to have 33%. These states have 75% of forest cover, whereas other 12 states or union territories, namely Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, Goa, Kerala, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu, Assam, Odisha, these have the forest cover between 33 to 75%. But this Lakshadweep, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Andaman and Nicobar, these are very important for us. Next one, coming to the tree cover. Tree cover means the small patches which is outside the forest. Okay, small patches which is outside the forest, they are called as a tree cover. So the tree cover of the country is estimated to be 95,748 square kilometers, and this is 2.91% of total geographical area of the country itself. And this is 721 square kilometer increase in the tree cover compared to the assessment of 2019. And hence there has been increase in the tree cover in India, and hence the option 2 is wrong. That is, the second statement is wrong. Answer is A, 1 only. Fourth question. Consider the following statements regarding India State of Forest Report 2021. First statement says the stock of bamboo in India has decreased compared to that of 2019. Second statement says the total mangrove cover in India has increased compared to 2019. In this case, the answer is B, that is 2 only. That is, the stock of bamboo also has increased. So the total number of bamboo gums has increased by 13,882 million as compared to that of assessment of 2019. Along with that, total mangrove cover also has in country is 4,992 92 square kilometers, which is an increase of 17 square kilometers. Though it is very small, but there has been increase, that is 17 square kilometers in mangrove cover has observed as compared to that of previous assessment. So in case of mangroves, the top 3 states are very important in case of mangroves. So in the first place you have the increase. It is first one is Odisha, wherein you have seen 8 square kilometers increase. In the second place there is Maharashtra, wherein we have seen 4 square kilometers increase. In the third place there is Karnataka, where we have seen 3 square kilometers increase in the mangroves. Okay, this will be very important. Let us move to the last question. According to India State of Forest Report 2021, arrange the following states in terms of their increase in the forest cover. So which country has more forest cover has to be placed first and followed by the second, third, fourth and fifth country. So the options they have given are Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Karnataka, Jharkhand. So the answer here is D, that is there has been highest increase in Andhra Pradesh, followed by Telangana, followed by Odisha. Karnataka is on the 4th place in case of increase in the forest cover compared to the previous assessment, and in the 5th place we have Jharkhand. So the answer here is D, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope you have understood about the few points with respect to that of forest survey, that is India State of Forest Report 2021. Whenever the 2023 report comes, we will discuss about those report also, and we have to see the comparison with the 2021 assessment as well. But for now, for the coming examinations, these assessments will be very important. At the end of this e-paper, there are a few multiple choice questions to be attempted as well. You can attempt those. Thank you. I'll see you soon in the next one.